This is Jin of Sinabroks. Sinabroks breaking iron is repressible, so you can repress the broken or bent piece by yourself if you have a jig which is available in our website. The replacement jig set consists of jig, drill bit, and 3 pieces of spare teeth, and the jig can be used with both regular and inverse breaking irons. Here are the tools you need to prepare before you begin the replacement process. An electric drill, heating gun, Loctite 263 thread locker, and needle nose pliers. Now I'm gonna go through how to fix the broken teeth step by step. First, we need the heating gun to remove the broken tooth. Set the heating gun at the 500 Celsius and heat the part where the broken blade is for about 3 to 5 minutes. After applying the heat, carefully remove the broken blade using the pliers. Careful not to touch the iron directly cause it's too hot. Next, let's remove the remaining glue inside the hole with a drill bit. Equip the provided drill bit to your drill and set its direction of rotation counterclockwise. Insert the drill bit into the hole and slowly pull it out while rotating the drill bit from the bottom of the hole. After removing the remainder in the hole, use a cotton swab to clean the rest of the residue thoroughly. Now I'm gonna show you how to fix the new tooth using a Loctite 263. Squeeze some out of the small cap. In this case, it'll be easier if you use a syringe, but using a small needle would work just fine. After injecting the appropriate amount of thread locker into the hole, insert the replacement tooth into the hole to the right direction. There's a mark sign on the front of each tooth, so check the mark first and align the tooth with the Cinabroks logo on the handle. And make sure to remove oil on the tooth thoroughly. Press the blade on the flat and even surface with an appropriate force so that the angle of the blades are exactly and properly aligned. Check the angle and it's fine. Leave it for an hour to solidify the thread locker well. About an hour later, the replacement processes will be done if you can move the tools by hand. Last but not least, please remove the buried thread locker with swab and some cloths. Well, I recommend you to use the fixed tool after waiting about a day. And that's it. The replacement process using a jig is all done. Does it look fresh? Thank you.